Welcome to the Discovery Center. Welcome to our opening to our beehive. Some of you have already looked at that. My name is Rhea. I'm the director of the Discovery Center, and I'm here with two, or actually three, multiple very special people. One is the lady in the bee suit. Our bee lady, Allison, has been setting up the entire hive and has been going above and beyond housing those bees for the last couple of weeks. So one very important thing here to note is we've only installed this last week, and we've gotten those bees a week and a half ago. So when you look inside there and you see the comb, that has been built in a week and a half. They're really amazing builders, and we're really excited to be opening that. So huge shout out to Allison. And a very special person here, Kathy Lester, who has been helping us set this up in memory of her grandniece who passed away in a very tragic accident a year ago. And so she asked us if we can do anything for her niece, because she was a wonderful little girl who loved to observe nature, look at bees. And so you can all see her over there, right next to where Brendan is staying. Brendan, wave. We have a little thing for her right there, and I'm going to give her the mic here. But we're really excited, first of all, to finally have a beehive. We've been trying to get that now for a couple of years, ever since we started building that treehouse with the Rotary Club. And so this is a fantastic addition that we're really excited to have. So I hope you can all enjoy observing it. And I all want you to show me the waggle dance of the bees on our big waggle dance that we're painting right here. And I'm really honored that Kathy and her family let us celebrate the life of her grandniece with this dedication. So Kathy, thank you.
Thank you. We're here today to celebrate the life of Alissa Faith Lumpiez. My family and I want to thank all of you for coming and joining us today, not only to celebrate Alissa's life, but to recognize the importance of bees in our world. As Rhea mentioned, Alissa was only 8 years old when a tragic accident took her from us. She was such an amazing little girl who loved life and loved nature. Alissa was beautiful inside and out. Although she was fiercely independent, she was also a monumental capacity for love. I knew my great niece, Alissa, only a short time, but she impressed me with her vibrant spirit. When I heard about the proposed bee exhibit here at the Discovery Center, I thought it would be a wonderful way to remember Alissa and celebrate her life. Alissa was talented, fun-loving, and energetic. However, she was not particularly quiet. Much like the bees who are buzzing around and let us know where they are, you knew Alissa was around because she always had something to say. She was a spunky little fireball, and energy radiated around her. Sometimes she was called Alissa Prissa, and she loved to dance and sing. Some of her favorite songs were from Moana, but she didn't particularly like Star Wars, but she loved the Baby Yoda, and she had the dolls and the t-shirts to prove it. Bees are pollinators, making the flowers and vegetables and fruits grow. Alissa loved gardening and picking flowers with her grandmother. She wanted to be a teacher and would have loved all the important lessons that the bees can teach us. Bees are industrious, hardworking little critters, and Alissa loved to help her grandmother clean house and do little jobs. She also loved to sew and stuff bears. Alissa loved nature and the outdoors. She loved camping and telling ghost stories around the campfire. As you can see by her drawing of the butterfly, Alissa loved to draw and paint. She freely gave her pictures to everyone she loved. While she sometimes played pranks, Alissa also loved to do sweet acts of service and share herself with others. For instance, Alissa loved to bake and decorate cakes and cookies with her mom. And I hope you will enjoy the cake we have for you today. Wherever she was, it was not unusual to suddenly find Alissa in your bed or snuggled up close to you. She was such a little love bug. Even though she wanted her independence, she wanted to be close and to share herself. We associate the bees with sweetness, nectar, and honey. Alyssa's favorite food was fruit, and also one of her favorite snacks. Her dad said she would often sneak an apple before bedtime. And at lunch in the school cafeteria, Alissa frequently asked for more fruit before she finished her lunch. Once, at a previous New Year's Eve party with her family, everyone was celebrating and toasting the new year when Alissa suddenly shouted, "Happy New Year! I am Alissa!" She wanted everyone to notice her and love her. She was such a fireball, but also so very full of life and love, a little package that loved big. Today, I hope you will enjoy your time with these wonderful bees and will remember how much Alissa would have loved being here with you. Thank you all for coming.
Oh, it's a hard one. Set you up for that. I do that. Yay!